All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I got the TopD from Metal Toys DZ right over here with me for a quick review. But don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Check out fablades.com, see if there's something like that you might be interested in that it's available. But let's go ahead and check this guy, which comes with this clear case, padded, of course. Both sides, inside you get your toy. Also, you also get like a sticker, extra couple balls like you're gonna replace with the screws as well, and the Torx driver to take this fella apart. What is this? This is mainly a slider, deep fried dough sticks, and just a sad crying face on the other one of this polished zirconium piece. So let's go ahead with measurements real quick. Let's see how much this guy is going to be weighing in your pocket. Not too much. You get, let's see, in grams, which is a normal 51.9 grams, which is 1.83 ounces. So you're not going to be able to complain about the weight of this guy. And it's just like sleek in the pocket. Toss it there. It's going to be fine. Length 68 millimeters. By 12.5 by 12 millimeters. So very tiny and compact slider, just a couple to show you. Like you get the rhythm, you get the Lauti shuffle and the one woo shield and the 01 EDC, for example, right there in the mix, just to give you a quick idea of how big this guy is. But what is it? It's a slider, guys. One side has the grooves, the other side doesn't. All right, so but it's there's a little trick up the sleeve on this slider, because yeah, you can just slide it like that, and it has a lot of steps, a lot of states, right? But also when it gets to the end, boom, you can twist it to the side. And on the side, this guy is gonna spin like a helix, like a propeller, right? Like that. And when it's in this position, you can go down, kind of like a zipper function, right? And then right at the end, it can again spin. But if you go in the middle, you're not going to be able to spin. In fact, you see that the grooves, the bigger grooves, are just at the end. So right in this position and in this position, you get TopD 6X, which I believe is the numbering on the inside, not much on this side. You get to see the two balls, which in case are ceramic, spring-loaded. So, right, there's a spring underneath that, and you're able to just push them down like in this way and just center it back. So right here, you won't be able to twist it. You have to go to the end. So like this, you see, just like that position, or like this position is going to be able to rotate. Mainly in like how I'd like to play with this guy is it would be just like that. But sometimes, you know, it's nice to have this kind of feel at the end. It's not the most comfortable. This for sure, like you know, it's for sure nice to slide it like that. It's a little bit longer than I would prefer. I mean, for me, like this length is just perfect, because it gets already, when it's extended, reaches this length, which is this length. Whereas this is just a little bit longer. That's why maybe it's just less comfortable in the hand, but still it's pretty cool to do that. And this is just like natural to do with this guy, not so much in the middle. I love the look of polished Zirc, is fantastic, the added weight to it compared to titanium, for example. I'm okay with deep fried dough stick, but to be honest, I'm not a fan of this sad face. It's interesting, it's iconic at this point, but honestly, it doesn't do anything for me, but it's just me. So I would have preferred something a little bit different looking on this side, but I like these dimples. I like, you know, the deep fried dough sticks is fine. And the fact this swings to this side also, it is pretty neat. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned.